Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. So friends, today I am going to make a sweet pickle recipe and I will make it with mango. So whenever you want to make this pickle, so try this at your home and share your experience with me. And friends, if you like today's video, please like, share and also subscribe to my channel. So friends, for making this recipe, here I have taken 10 kg of mango, means raw mango, and I have cut it in small pieces, you can see, and then I have put 200 grams of salt and 4 to 5 tablespoon of turmeric powder, and I have mixed all the things really well, and now I have spread it on the cloths and I will leave it for 4 to 5 hours into the sun. And here I have taken some spices, so 150 grams of red chili and 4 tablespoon of cumin, 2 tablespoon of black pepper and 1 tablespoon of cloves, and 500 grams of whole coriander, you can see. And here I have taken 100 grams of fenugreek seeds and 4 to 5 tablespoon of kalonji or black seeds and 100 grams of fennel seeds. So now I will roast all the spices really well. So for roasting, here I have taken a pan, then I will add, firstly I will add whole coriander. So add coriander into the pan and roast it for 3 to 4 minutes in low to medium flame, and stir it continuously. You can see how I am doing, and after some time you can see it is crackling now. So now I will transfer it into a plate or thali and I will roast all the spices like this. So it is done. Now I will roast fennel, transfer it also. Now I will transfer all the spices in one bowl. So friends, roast all the spices in low to medium flame, and after that when it will be, means all the spices will be cold, then I will grind it. And friends, we will grind it coarsely, we will not fine grind it. So in the last, here I have roasted red chili, so transfer it also, and now I will grind all the spices. So friends, it is done. You can see I have grinded it well, it is coarsely grinded, you can see. And friends, 5 hours are over and you can see the color of this mango, it has changed the color, it is dry now. So now I will transfer into a big bowl. So here I have transferred it into this, and now we will go into next process. So friends, here I have taken 1 kg of mustard oil, and here I have put it into the pan, and when it will be very hot, means piping hot, then I will switch off the flame, and when it will be very cold, then I will use it into the pickle. So friends, now I am going to put all the spices into the pickle. So put all the spices here, means roasted and grinded spices. So friends, here I have added all the spices here. Now I am going to put salt. So add salt according to your taste. Here I have added 100 grams of salt and 1 tablespoon of black salt. After that I will add oil. It is cold now, so put all the oil into this pickle, and then I will mix all the things really well. So friends, mix it really well, and after that I will add jaggery. So I will add 3 kg of jaggery, and I have taken 3 kg of jaggery and I have crushed it in small pieces, you can see. Now I will put all the jaggery into this pickle and I will mix it really well. So now mix all the things really well. So friends, it has mixed really well. Now we will go into last process. So for this, here I have taken a pan and I have added 4 tablespoon of oil. Now here I have taken all the whole spices, means red chili, fenugreek seeds, all the spices, and here I have added 1 teaspoon of hing, and now I will add all the whole spices, and I will cook it for 2 minutes in a low flame. And it has done, you can see it has cooked really well. Now I will put some turmeric powder. So here I have taken 100 grams of turmeric powder. So put all the powder here, and here is the gas flame is low, and roast it for 2 minutes. So friends, it is done. Now I will put this into the pickle. So add all the spices into this pickle and mix it really well. And friends, it is done. Now after mixing it, I will put it into a jar, and then I will leave it for 7 to 8 days into the sun, and it will be ready to take. So you can make this recipe at your home. So try it and share your experience with me. And if you like today's video, please like, share, and also subscribe to my channel. So see you soon in another video. Thanks for watching today's video. Bye bye.